Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve this question, that is find index. You can find this question on Geeks for Geeks website in the practice section. So first we are going to understand this question. We are going to understand the build up the logic, and then we will see what should be our approach, and then we will see the code. So if you are beginner, if you start practicing on Geek for Geeks, then this will be a great video for you guys. So if you see this question, the accuracy rate is only 34.99, means more than 65% of people is doing this incorrect. So we are going to for in a very without complicating things further, we will be solving this question in a literally very easy manner. So this will brush up this will also brush up my concept, and this will help you guys too. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button, and do share this video guys, and do subscribe. So without delaying further, let's start. So we first understand the question. Right, here we have to find the index value. We don't have to, like, we already solved the other questions, like finding the longest string, longest element, like this Armstrong number. So if you I will ping that URL in the I section. You can I button, you can go and just watch that video also. So first understand this. We have when they provided us an array. We have an array here. Just look at the example. Here the array is provided to us. I hope it is visible to you guys. So array is provided to us, and the size of the array is also provided to us. So there is a value, there is a key. It is also provided to us. What is this key? So we have to find the index from the left side and from the right side also. And then the value from the left side, whatever the value we get from the left side, and whatever the value we get from the right side, we will return it. See here, we will return it. So we will return an array list. We are returning an array list. So the first thing that we do is we make a array list. Right. Like we can also do it with another approach. Like just we are just observing here what we can do. So now, so here, the question is we have an array. The element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So let's just copy it. Let's just copy it and paste it in Notepad so that I can elaborate it to you guys better. So let me increase the font size. So here I have an array. So let's count the index number. My first element 1, that is in the 0th index. Second element 2, that is in the first index. So indexing in Java start from 0, right? So 3 will be on the second one. 4 will be on the let give a space here so that it align. So the 4 will be on the third index, 5 will be on the fourth index, and my another 5 will be on the fifth index. So this is the indexing of my element of the array. So here the key is provided to us, that is 5. See here, the key is 5. Now we have to find the position of 5 from the left side, position of key. So here the key is 5. So position of 5 from the left side to the right side, left side and right side also. So here just count. From the left side, the index is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the fourth position, I find my key, that is 5. So from the left side, my index is 4. Right. Now I have to find from the right side also. So from the right side, it will be on 5. Right here 5. So this will be my output. So here, what we are going to do is this will be my output here. See 4 and 5. So if I count, let's say take another example like uh, 6, 9 3 not 0 9 again, not 9, let's see 3. We will not take any repeatable number. 7 and 2. This is my array, my new array. Let's take this example. Just look at here, and my key is provided is 3. Okay, now just count the index. So my 6 will be on 0th index, my 9 will be on first index, my 3 will be on second index, my 7 will be on seventh, my element 7 will be on third index, and my 2 will be on fourth index. Now my key value is 3, so I want to find the index position of 3 from the left side and right side also. So from the left side, where my 3 lies, see a 0 1 2. So the on the index 2 from the left, I find my element that is matching to the key value 3 3. So from the left side, my element will be on second index. So from the right side, so count from here 4, third, second. From the right side, I find my element that is matching with my key value on the second index. So from the right side also it is on second index. So I hope you understand the question. So if you understand this question, then we will be looking at our approach. What by how can I solve this question? So let's see if what what if what if key is not present there. What if key is not present there? So look at the question here. If the key does not exist, in such a case, then I have to return -1. -1 how many times? From the left side also -1, and from the right side also -1 if the key does not exist. So this is the first case, right? So let's look at the question. My time complexity should be order of n, and my space complexity should be O of 1, order of 1. So we have to keep this in mind also. So how we are going to do is, first we can let's dry run the code. Let's see what should be our approach. So we will make a set. We will make a make a empty array. First we are going to make an empty array, so that if I found my answer, I will store it in that array. If I did not, if the key does not exist, then I will store -1 in that array. So first we are going to make an empty array, right? Second, here we are dealing with array, so we have to run a for loop. So we will run a for loop, and then we check. First we will make an empty array, so that, just don't mind the spelling, so that we will store our result. Second step should be, we are dealing with an array, so we'll run a for loop. Run a for loop, right? Then when I iterate, when I traverse my array, then what will I do? Try to match I will try to match my key value with the index value, with the element. If the element is matching with the key value, then I will grab the index, grab the position from the left side also, right side also, and I will store it in empty array. So now we will match, check. So how to check? We will give if condition, right? If condition to check the key value, key is matching with element or not, right? So this will be my and then if it match, I will store it in our empty array. If it is if key is not present, we will store -1. So we will make another one, we will run another for loop for that, and then we will return the result. So this will be our approach. So I hope you understand till here, guys. So let's start coding. So here you will understand better. So first make an empty array, int like we'll give what name should I give here? Let's see result, because we are returning that only na. You can name it anything else, whatever you want. At first I will add -1 and -1 in it. Why -1? If I don't find my key, then it will directly run this. Okay, so now I will run a for loop. For this is the structure, bare and bone of for loop. Now I will going to fill it with initialization, making a variable I is equal to 0. My I should be less than n. Here look at the n that is provided here. N I should be less than n, and my I plus plus. So I hope you understand till here. So now what we are going to do is we will check. We will check now why it is in capital. Here in if condition we are going to check the key value is matching with the element or not. So my array, my index, so the name of array is a here, so that's why a, my array is matching with the key value or not. So here the key value, just copy this, paste here, does not needed, but still here. So now if it matches, then I will store the result. I will store in a result of index position, or I will result the index position in my result, and then I will, if it matches, then I will break the loop. Don't need to run the loop again and again, right? We found our result, so why there is need to run the loop. Now we will run the second for loop here, not here, outside of this for loop we will run a second for loop. Okay, now here for again similar thing. Here int I is equal to n minus 1. Okay, because we are iterating it from the left side here, we are iterating it from the left side, and we are iterating it from the right side. See here, if I from the left side and here from the right side, that's why another for loop. And why n minus 1? Because length minus 1, the array of length is the index is always less than the length of the array na, one less than, so that's why I starting it from the here. I should be greater than 0, right? I minus minus, because I am starting from here and decrease the value of I slowly and going from right to left. That's why I minus minus. Here I plus. Why I am giving capital here, I don't know. So now, so we will do the again if condition. If condition, in if condition, what we are going to give, check again if my array of I is equal to the key or not. If it is equal, then I will again store the result in it. Not 0 this time, because I already used I will again store the I. Okay, now if I find my element which is matching with my key value from the right side also, then I will break the loop. So we don't need loop here. Now I'm going to return the result. So here this method is returning now. So I will return the result. Here I forget to write the return statement. Return the result. So I hope you guys understand this question. How what is the approach that we are using here, and why we are using that approach only. And this for loop is from left side iteration. This for loop is because of right side iteration. We are, if I found my element matching with key, then I store the result and break the loop. You from the left side, if I found my element matching with key, I store it in result and break the loop from the right side, and then I have result and I will return it. So let's hope it should not have any compilation error. So we will check, compile and run. Yeah, it have compilation in line number 44. So look here, I forget to give the semicolon. Here it is telling me. So again, compile and run. You guys should do as many mistakes as you can and rectify your mistakes so that you can learn things. So just submit the code. Let's see how many test cases is getting passed. Again, only 3 test cases. I don't know why it is happening. See the output difference. The output should be 0 0 and my output is, see, it is not 0 0, it is 0 minus 1. Why? Let's check the code again. First, here int result we declare an integer here minus 1, it is right, there is no wrong. Till here I will be 0 and I will be less than n. It is again right till here. I think, I don't know, I did not make any mistake, but here just look further. A of I should be key, right? Small k. Okay, now in if condition we make a declare whatever the array we declared, we will store here the I and break. Okay, now for int n minus 1, right, I is greater than 0, I minus 1 is right. If I is matching with my key, then result of 1 should be stored in and then break, and then at last return result. Why it is not working, I don't know. Let's run it again. It is getting compiled, but it is not. Only 3 test cases is getting passed out of 135. So why is this happening? Just what is happening for, let's check it again. I don't see any error here. Why this is not working? mm, and here I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus. Here if a is I and key and result is 0 stored in I. Okay, and then break, and after where this for loop end, I start another for loop. Int I is equal to n minus 1, right? Here why I is greater than, wait, this is happening because here I will be greater than equal to 0, right? Because from the right side it should be greater than equal to 0. It can be 0 from the right side. So when I now I compilation is working, right? Now I submit the code. Let's see how many test cases is getting passed. So let's hope. Yeah, attempt 3, because of that 2 attempt that I did here only. So now I hope you understand this question, and if you love my previous video, if you understand, if you learn something from it, just like, do share guys, and do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we will meet in a next video. I hope you understand till here. So happy learning. Bye bye.